In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Hootsuite for analytics and competitive benchmarking. Mastering Hootsuite can transform your social media strategy, providing insights and metrics that are crucial for engaging your audience and outperforming competitors. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to social media management, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to leverage Hootsuite effectively. Let's kick things off by visiting the Hootsuite homepage. To do this, simply type www.hootsuite.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted by the Hootsuite homepage, a gateway to unlocking the potential of your social media content. Once you've landed on the Hootsuite website, the next step is to log into your account. Look for a login button, typically found in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Hootsuite dashboard. Now it's time to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Hootsuite account. This step is crucial for ensuring that you're able to access all your personalized settings, schedules, and analytics within Hootsuite. After inputting your email, the next field you'll encounter is for your password. Enter your password carefully. Remember, the strength and security of your password are vital for protecting your social media accounts and the data within them. Once you've filled in your password, go ahead and click on Sign In to proceed. Congratulations, you're now inside your Hootsuite dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard provides an overview of your connected social media accounts, scheduled posts, and more. It's the control room for your social media management. To dive into analytics, start by clicking on All Reports from your Hootsuite dashboard. This section is a treasure trove of data and insights about your social media performance. From here, you can track engagement, audience growth, and content effectiveness across all your connected accounts. Next, you'll want to refine your insights by clicking on Industry. This action narrows down the analytics to your specific sector, giving you targeted data that compares your performance to industry standards. Knowing where you stand in your industry helps calibrate your strategy effectively. For a deep dive into how you stack up against your competitors, click on Competitive Analysis next. This feature allows you to benchmark your social media performance directly against your competitors. It's incredibly useful for identifying strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities in your social media strategy. Finally, to get granular with your analytics, click on Post Performance. This detailed view breaks down the performance of individual posts across your social media platforms. Analyzing performance at this level can uncover what types of content resonate best with your audience, guiding your content strategy moving forward. Throughout this process, remember to take advantage of Hootsuite's user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to make navigating these features intuitive. However, if you ever feel stuck, Hootsuite offers plenty of resources and customer support to help guide you. Also, keep in mind the power of data in shaping your social media strategy. With Hootsuite's comprehensive analytics tools, you're equipped to make informed decisions that can boost engagement, grow your audience, and enhance your overall social media presence. In conclusion, mastering Hootsuite opens up a realm of possibilities for social media management. From logging in to diving deep into competitive analysis and post-performance, every step you take on Hootsuite brings you closer to achieving your social media goals. So explore, analyze, and most importantly, use these insights to craft compelling content that resonates with your target audience. With this guide, you're well on your way to becoming a Hootsuite pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use Hootsuite's features, the more intuitive they will become. Happy analyzing, and here's to elevating your social media strategy to new heights.